Here's the one setting you should always change on a Navien Tankless water heater when you install it. This setting is going to help your water heater run smoother and help with any temperature fluctuations due to flow fluctuations in your system. Here's the one setting you should always set on your Naviens. Press and hold the back and the menu button for a couple seconds. When it comes in, we're going to go into the installer menu. Password is 1, 2, 3, 4. Now go to your parameter settings. Go down to 11, which is your well pump setting. Hit OK. And go to Enable and enable that setting. This setting helps assist with temperature control when there's water supply pressure fluctuations. What this setting is going to do for you is when your well pump kicks on and off and your pressure fluctuates up and down, it's going to help the water heater look for those fluctuations in flow and even out your water temperatures leaving the water heater. This is something that no other tankless water heater has that I'm aware of, and really helps tighten up those temperature differentials on the Navien Tankless water heater. Make sure you hit that subscribe button down there so you don't miss videos like this when they come out. Contact your local manufacturer's representative to get into a training class in your area. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.